Hi, I'm Sarah from UWF, and today I'm going to show you how to search for employers in Handshake. To access Handshake, log into My UWF and search Handshake in the search bar. Type in the word Handshake, and when it pops up, click on this star to make sure you add it to your favorites so you can access it more easily moving forward. Then click on Handshake and log in through your single sign-on. Then you'll arrive at the home page of Handshake, then click the Employers button here. Once you've arrived on the Employers section, you can indicate lots of different search parameters for your search. So you can search for a certain location, like Pensacola, for example. And you can also set a certain radius of distance away from Pensacola. You can also search by industry here and see the various different companies in the area. You can click here to learn more about the company, and you can click follow to keep tabs on the company and when they post jobs and more information. I hope this has been a helpful video for how to search for employers in Handshake. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the Office of Career Development and Community Engagement for more information. Good luck!